Hi guys, I recently went to an exhibition where a guy was demoing this. It's called Superpower Solderless Copper Bonding. Basically you use one of these to clean the inside of your pipe, the outside of this pipe, glue them together. You just stick glue on the inside of there, on the outside of there, the bonding, put together and twist, wipe the excess off, and there you have your fitting. So what I've done, I've rigged this up, a little rig. I've glued all these fittings, got a speed fit and a compression. Have a look at the pressure gauge and let's see what happens. Do you expect water squirting everywhere? Bang up to 5 bars, not one leak. Now, are we all ready to get rid of these? I'm not sure. I was sceptical, I was expecting water to squirt everywhere. But hey, it works, doesn't it? And that's why I love plumbing. Just to reiterate on this Superpower solderless copper bonding that we did yesterday. This has been at 5 bar all night, as you can see. I'm just going to try and see if I can break it. Yeah, as you can see, I can pull the fittings off, so it's not as good as soldered. But Lee asked me if I could taste some of this because I ate some flux once, and I'll have a little go at it. Not quite as nice as flux, but anyway, that's why